If your boat has been on the market longer than expected, this could be why. Buyers don't just buy boats, they buy confidence. Photos show what your boat looks like. A story shows what it's really like to own her. Imagine an interstate or overseas buyer being personally walked through your boat by the person who knows it best. You. Sharing the upgrades, the little details, the way she sails, and why you've loved owning her. As a sailor myself, I'll guide you through the process so naturally you'll forget the camera is even there. Tested at the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show, this style of walkthrough attracted 14 times the engagement of traditional glamour videos with drone footage and music. The difference between an interested buyer and a committed buyer is confidence. Don't just show buyers your boat, help them see themselves owning it.